Hey guys, welcome to EduTech Ravi. This is Brewing Gaming from server 773, and today I'm gonna talk about these protectors field. If you are uh, about to enter in season 3 or around season 3, this is gonna be a very good introduction for the protectors field that it will be very useful to you when you start the season 3 journey. So this is gonna be a new building for you alongside these buildings like Blazing Fountain, Altar, Curse Research Lab, etc. Okay, so this is Altar, which is related to Protectors Field building, which is gonna give you protectors, the units which will be dead converting into the protectors when someone will attack you, or when you lose some units, you'll get those in return with in form of protectors. Okay, so let's see what it is and what it does. So if you uh, build the protectors field, you gonna see the information in here, like it's called as desert protector. Protectors blessed by the desert have superior combat power. They are stronger than units of the same level. Each hero can carry protectors level equal to 1 raised to 10 of the number of units. Even with this limit, protectors are stronger than the soldiers at the same level. Unlike regular units, protectors who participate in battle will not return. They return to the desert. If they are deployed but don't engage in combat, all protectors will return. So basically, these protectors will be converted from your normal units to protectors when they die, and they are very stronger than the normal units. Okay, and once you engage them in any battle, they will not return. They will go to the desert and disappear. Okay, but you'll still get lots of protectors. As you can see, there are levels in it, like you can see you can unlock 500, 750, and you'll active some skills like power of adaptation when you get to these levels, like power of adaptation have 500 or more protectors when marching, and protectors extra curse resistance will be increased. Protectors attack boost will be increased to 25%. Then on 750, death shockwave have 750 or more protectors when marching. If squad with protectors is defeated, the protectors get death shockwave, killing a portion of enemy units. Unlock skill death shockwave 1, protectors death shockwave ratio 5%. Then there is a blue flame spell condition have 1000 or more protectors when marching. Squads with protectors that breach enemy bases apply the blue flame spell, setting the base ablaze with extinguishable blue flames. Unlock a protector's breach spell 1, curse level 1. And there is protectors rally have 1250 or more protectors when marching. Protectors can initiate exclusive rallies restricted to protector troops only. Rally march speed is significantly increased. Unlock 1 minute rally PvP 1, march speed for joining rallies 200 plus. Rally march speed gonna be increased to 200%. And last one is desert protector up to 200 2250. Okay, so you can see, check out the levels in here, like how many you have. Like I have 250 level 10 desert protectors, and level 9 2k. Okay, you can check out the history in here about desert protectors. The mystical powers of Golden Realm allow some resolute soldiers to convert into desert protectors after losing their lives in battle. With their unshakable will to protect, they march again to serve the commander. Once they march, desert protectors return to the desert and will not return to the commander's base. There is a conversion protector skill. As I explained you, conversion help allies can help commanders instantly convert pending desert protectors. I will show you how you can do that. Then protectors not only unleash enhance curse resistance, carrying protectors, protector buffs, some buffs as I said to you, protector marching, all I explained to you, and there are some goals you can check out. And let's go to the practical where I will show you how you can use them. As for the conversion, as you can see, we can help by tapping on the base and then tapping on this conversion help button to any ally, or ally can help you in vice versa. You can see with every tap you'll record 5 of your allies units into the protectors. Okay, these are the dead ones. These will convert into protectors for the allies. Okay, you can help each other, like you can see the number of dead units and you can help them to convert into protectors. And now we'll see how you can use them. Like you can go for the doomilites or zombies to like kill the zombie, like, or doomilite, you can go search them or just target them. And when you choose to rally, you can change your units to protectors. Okay, if you want to the protectors rally, in here tap here and they will change to protectors. And so you can see the power is also increased as protectors are stronger than the normal units. Okay, so just tap on the march button and you can see this march include protectors into 230. These protectors will not return after joining the battle. You don't you have to click on the don't show me today and just click on the confirm once. And they will attack like this, and you can see the animation also with the hand. And we got the kill here. As you can also go for the doomilite rally with your alliance help. You can go like this. And if you are into vs, you can also use them to attack anyone and you will not lose any single troop from your drill. Okay, you can check out the drill. The units will not be perish from here, but they will disappear from here. As you can see, my drill ground was full and now it's empty, but there are spare ones, so it will be full. You can see there are lots of capacity to the protectors field. As you can also upgrade it, like I have upgraded to 30. I guess it will be upgraded till up to 35. And this is gonna be a permanent building, like I will show you. Retained after the season ends, but the level will be reset. So this gonna be continue in season 4 and so on, but the level will be reset. So you can update this as much as you can. And let's talk about the altar building. This is the building which will be disappear when the season ends, but this building helps you to increase the damage, power of an attack defense boost for your protectors. As you can see, it may have 30 levels. I have 27 unlocked. I will try to upgrade it up to level 30 and try to increase the damage boost, attack boost, defense boost for the protectors. So this is also an important building to look out for. And that's it, guys. I hope I have explained you everything. You can use these protectors to anything like rally on dooms, doomilites, You can also go for the wanted bosses with these and increase your damage, and it's stronger than the normal ones, so it's very helpful in the season and it will be continued. So that's gonna be really helpful when you go to the battles or any event without your units. If you don't have many units, or if you have your drill ground empty, you can use these extra ones. Okay, so that's going to be very helpful in season 3 and so on. So that's going to be a very good for both F2P and players who spend. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more season related updates. Thank you.